Have you ever stopped to think about what inspires us? About what really matters when we find people who are willing to work together to build a new world? Here at the Mariápolis Ginetta Center, we are inspired by the art of the encounter. Through constant dialogue and by paying special attention to everyone who visits us. The Event Center offers complete infrastructure, a large green area, and a support team with specialized service. We are located in Vargem Grande Paulista, close to the Raposo Tavares Highway, just 47 kilometers from the west side of São Paulo. The 21,000 square meter area provides a flexible structure to receive spiritual retreats or social and corporate events, meeting the needs of each event and participant. The accommodations are easily accessible and allow up to 480 guests, ensuring a comfortable stay. Equipped with professional sound, lighting, and projection systems, we have the structure to carry out simultaneous translations and transmit lectures via streaming directly from the auditorium. In the rooms for smaller events, there can be meetings, lectures, and training, providing the necessary structure. In the large cafeteria, meals are served with a delicious and diverse menu, personalized for each event. The choice and preparation of food allows balanced meals and promotes conscientious consumption, using more sustainable habits, such as biodegradable disposables and proper waste disposal. Our facilities include free parking for cars and buses, central reception area with a coffee shop, impeccable dining structure, auditorium, meeting rooms, and lounges, as well as leisure, sport, and prayer spaces. Now that you know us, we want to invite you to continue writing this story with us. We believe that it is possible to transform each gathering into an opportunity to promote a culture of fraternity. That is why we work hard to welcome and support the development of people who seek to grow in love every day. Welcome to the Mariápolis Ginetta Center.